Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Autism with Koirav. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the benefits that we have got from flashcard. Now, in this video, we are going to show in practical each type of benefit that I have got from Koirav. First benefit that we have got is object identification. So, let us look into the video that how we are showing Koirav the object and how he is identifying among various other objects.
You can make your child sit in front of you, take 3 or 4 flashcards, name the cards aloud to your child, and then name a specific card and ask your child to pick up that card. In this way, you can start teaching object.
One of the most important benefits that you will get is eye-to-eye contact improvement. Now let's see how is the benefit of eye-to-eye contact received from flashcards.
You may make your child sit in front of you, place the flashcard beside your face at the eye level and let him look at your face. Make sure that he looks at the object as well as your lips and eyes.
You can increase vocabulary by the use of flashcards because there are unlimited terms, unlimited items, unlimited objects that you will be providing in your child as well. You can give him action flashcards, you can give him event flashcards. So he will get to know everything, each and everything through the flashcards. So he will be understanding, he will be knowing various terms, he will be knowing his vocabulary will be increasing a lot. Your child will be knowing the first letter of each item or each object if you use a flashcard. Why? Because each item, each flashcard will have an item or an object. Along with that object, it will have the spelling, the total spelling of that object written in it. So, if your child looks into the card properly, then with time, obviously don't expect this to come on the very first day, but with time, you will be getting a very good image or a very good structure of exactly how better your child knows about all the spellings of the object. Action flashcards can be used to teach them actions or acts like how to drink, how to teach, how to read, how to write, which is cooking, which is riding a car, whatever. Means everything can be taught to them using action flashcards. The daily life activities can be taught using flashcards. Now, even if you have event flashcards, in that case also you can use the event flashcards to describe them before you go to some place about that particular situation, what will be happening over there over the time, and so that they can understand and they will not be reverting back from the place or the situation when they start facing that particular situation. So, that is also very important. The event flashcards are also very, very important for the autistic kids. Now, you can play with them memory games using the flashcards. How can you play? You keep 3 cards or 4 cards and you just turn it backside and you can ask them to play memory games with them. Just see the video that flashcards help in categorization. How? Through flashcards, you can use your flashcard to categorize various objects, like how to differentiate between an animal, a fruit, a vegetable and a bird. As if you describe the details of an animal, if you describe the detail of a bird, if you describe the detail of what a vegetable is and what a fruit is, how you eat them, whether you cook them, whether you do not cook them, then it becomes easier for them to identify through the flashcards that which is a fruit, which is an animal, which is a bird, which is a vegetable. So this categorization becomes easier to them. They can understand the categorization very easily.
You may place 4 flashcards, one of an animal, one of a bird, a fruit and a vegetable. Describe the features of the categories, that is, animal has 4 legs, 1 tail, bird has 2 legs, feathers and a beak, fruit can be eaten directly and vegetables we cook. Give a flashcard to your child and ask him to place the flashcard on the one that matches its features.
Now, flashcards can be used to teach them matching. You can give 2 objects which are correlated to each other and you can ask them to match. Just look into the video, you will be having a very clear idea of how we are doing matching with Koirov.
Make your child sit in front of you. Place 3 or more flashcards like shoes, umbrellas, ball, trousers, etc. Then give him a bat and ask him to find the correlated object among the options. This way he learns matching.
Now, Koirov knows the ascending and the descending order of all the alphabets, all the numbers. How does he know? That also we have achieved using flashcards. So let us see once again through another video that how he is doing ascending and descending. We usually do it using a flashcard. Again, we also do it using small cards that we have made through our hand, like it's a typed print. We have stick the numbers in the peach board and we have done number cards, and that also he is doing very well. Number cards as well as alphabet cards. But the initiation has started from the flashcards only. So both the videos I am attaching over here, you can see. So friends, I hope you all have got a very clear idea of what we are doing with Koirov through using flashcards. So a flashcard is very important in our lives because Koirov has learnt a lot using flashcards, and we have got various improvements in Koirov using flashcards. He knows more or less everything using flashcards. Whatever stock he should know, whatever stock of words that he should have at present, he is having that stock of words. If you ask him to identify each and anything and everything, he will be able to do it in front of you. That much we have the patience and that much belief we have in Koirov. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, share, comment on the video, and to get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel Autism with Koirov and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.